Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change or switch the Facebook account linked to your 8-ball pool game. It is a very simple process, so let's get right into it. Step 1. Open 8-ball pool. From the main menu, tap the gear icon to open your settings. Look for your account section and hit log out. Here is the most important part where many people get stuck. If you simply tap login with Facebook again, the game will automatically reconnect to the exact same account. This happens because 8-ball pool connects to the Facebook profile, currently signed in on your phone's default web browser. To actually switch accounts, leave the game and open your web browser, such as Safari or Chrome. Type in facebook.com and log out of your current profile. To make things even faster, you can log into your new Facebook account right there in the browser. Once that's done, go back to 8-ball pool, tap login with Facebook again. This time the game will pull the new data from your browser and log you into the correct account, or it will prompt you to enter your new login details. And that's it. Your new Facebook account is now connected. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more straightforward tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching.